Plastic has become indispensable on store shelves and in our homes. From wrapped food, disposable bottles, single-use plastics, to microplastics in cosmetics, glitter, microfibers from textile products, and toothpaste. It's used widely as packaging or in products because it's versatile, cheap, and convenient. But this convenience comes with a price. Studies reveal that plastic waste is entering the ocean at a rate of approximately 12.7 million metric tons per year, where it is damaging habitats and marine life. Currently, Vietnam is considered one of the countries with the highest rates of plastic pollution in the oceans. As a consequence of this problem, thanks to the collaboration of the Sustainable Management of Coastal Marine Resources Collaborative Program, a natural field experiment was conducted on the effect of having a celebrity support an information campaign aimed at inducing pro-environmental behavior in the context of single-use plastics consumption in Vietnam.
In Vietnam, we have been working with an education and information campaign aimed at university students. Specifically, we wanted to test whether information in and on itself produces a behavioral change. So what we do is that we exposed students chosen at random from dormitories in two of the largest universities in Vietnam and expose them to information. Information about the impact of single-use plastics and tips and tricks to avoid using single-use plastics. There are two especially interesting factors or issues in this experiment. First and foremost is that we measure behavior of these students in an actual setting. How do we do that? Well, we give students a voucher that they can exchange for a series of items in a shop, and some of those items would require a straw or a spoon or even a plastic bag. And then we record whether students that were treated by our information campaign actually pick more or less single-use plastics. And the second interesting feature of this experiment is that we deliver this information in two ways. First, using a standard video where information was provided and in which an expert delivered the information. And secondly, we have a video that is endorsed by a celebrity, Miss Vietnam. In that video, the celebrity is the one providing the information and endorsing, and is hence endorsing a national campaign to reduce single-use plastic consumption. Now, interestingly, what we find is that the information campaign alone has no effect on the behavior of students in terms of actual single-use plastic consumption. But when the campaign was endorsed and supported by a celebrity, the effect was large. There was a significant reduction in the use of single-use plastics. Now, why is this valuable? Because celebrities have been used in marketing for many, many years, but this is, to our knowledge, the first test of whether celebrity endorsement can actually be used as part of pro-environmental campaigns. And in our study, we showed that that's exactly the case, and we also measured what is the difference between a campaign that is supported by a celebrity and a campaign that just provides information.
We came up with a research idea using celebrity endorsement because we have observed that all around the world, many people, including celebrities, including even ordinary people, try to tackle the single-use plastic, but it needs collaborative actions, collaborative behavior. Not only some individual can solve the complex problems.
Only celebrity endorsement has significant impact on behavior change toward reducing the consumption of single-use plastic items. So the numbers of reductions was about 22% right after the intervention and 18% at the end line stage. And in terms of gender perspective, we also see that actually females have stronger initial reactions, but actually the impact fade away faster than male.
Although the design of our experiment was carefully tailored to the reality of Vietnam, by that I mean that the information provided and the choice of celebrity was specific for Vietnam. We think the findings of our study will translate both to other countries, but also to other areas of pro-environmental behavior.
In conclusion, we see that celebrity endorsement can be considered as a win-win strategy because in comparison to other solutions or policy, for example, technical innovation, it may also have some other rebound effect. For example, recycling could also create some other environmental impact. For example, air pollution also very serious problems as well. And also, for example, we have market instrument or legal instrument, policy framework relevant to market instrument, for example, taxes, or legal instrument, for example, ban, or some other legal instrument. It requires huge resources and also the auditing resources as well. So we have celebrity endorsement as a behavior approach, and it is considered as a win-win strategy. Government doesn't have to pay much resources. Celebrity themselves, they also receive some kind of a credibility, and they benefit from the campaigns. And also, especially society, we have the positive behavior change toward the environmental issues. So this study can be scaled up to the larger audience, and maybe we design a really good instrument for reducing single-use plastics, and also it can be designed for other environmental problems.